Hello gentle ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. I'm Evalyn Eatdith, and in this quick, fast and short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to get rid of your brows. I don't mean to shave them, you can shave them, we're all in a quarantine, so they're gonna grow back. Or how to glue them so you can just put foundation on and start your face. So what you're gonna need for this video is rubbing alcohol with a cotton pad, glue stick, and a brush, powder puff, together with baby powder, a brush, and a towel. Step number 1, you put alcohol on a cotton pad and you rub it all over your eyebrow. And you do that to get rid of all the fat and all the dirt. Doesn't matter if you wash your face, this is just gonna help the glue stick better. You let it dry for a moment. You can use your gay hands. And then you take your glue stick and you just rub the glue all over your eyebrow. Don't be too generous, because the more glue you put, the more funky your brow is gonna look. Take your brush and start brushing everything upwards. A good alternative for this would be a toothbrush. You turn it around and you press it so you glue all the hairs down, and while the glue is still wet, take your powder puff with the baby powder on and you lightly press on as a first step. So now that the brow is set, you take more powder and you start pressing it very hard into the glue. Be careful in this step because sometimes the glue can get off, so be gentle. And we let it dry. Now, since this is just glue that it's washable, you're gonna need to put a couple of more layers. If you're gonna sweat, if you're gonna dance, if it's summer, put a couple of layers, like 3 to 4, 5, 6. Set them really good and really well. If it's winter, you can pass by with 2. Here we go, coat number 2. So, you brush the glue how you brushed your eyebrows. So you just go in the upwards motion. You don't take your brush anymore, you just take a powder puff together with the baby powder and you set straight away. Make sure that you press and you let it dry. Next step is you're gonna take a towel that it's wet on the corner and you're gonna clean all the glue that it's around, not touching your eyebrow. So that afterwards when you start placing your foundation, you don't have any glue anywhere around where you don't need to have it. If that makes sense. So you let it dry, and after everything is done and everything is kind of pulling you backwards, you're good to go. Grab your foundation and just start painting. Thank you everybody for joining me in this video. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button, notification bell, leave me a comment down below. What would you like to see next? Thank you very much for joining me. Bye!
Goodbye.